In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets to export data from Todoist. By the end, you'll be able to send your Todoist tasks into a spreadsheet, which is perfect for reporting, analysis, or simply backing up your data in a more flexible format. First, open Todoist on your computer. At the top of the screen, look for your profile icon, usually in the upper left or right corner, depending on your layout. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This is where Todoist keeps all your core account controls. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel with different tabs for things like account, notifications, and more. Take a moment to let it load fully, because all of the integration options live here. Inside the Settings area, look along the top or left side for the tab labeled Integrations, then click on it. This is the central place where Todoist connects to other tools like calendars, automation apps, and in this case, Google Sheets. Once you're on the integrations page, you'll see at least two sections. One for installed integrations and another for discovering new ones. Click on the option labeled Browse. This opens Todoist Integration Marketplace, where you can search through all available connections. In the list of integrations, find the one called Export to Google Sheets. You can scroll down or use any search field if it's available. When you see Export to Google Sheets, click on it to open its details. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does and any permissions it needs. Next, click on the Add button. This is what actually installs and activates the integration for your account. If prompted, you may need to log into your Google account and allow access so Todoist can create and update spreadsheets for you. Once the integration is added, go back to your Todoist projects and click on the specific project whose data you want to export. This ensures that you're working with the correct set of tasks. Inside that project view, look for the three dots icon, often in the upper right corner of the project header. Click on those three dots to open the project options menu. In that menu, you should now see a new option called Export to Google Sheet. Click on Export to Google Sheet, and Todoist will create or update a spreadsheet in your Google Drive with all the tasks from that project, ready for you to sort, filter, and analyze.